Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 17th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, gold definitely did keep pushing down on the 1 hour. This is definitely lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So if you are trading below the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely recommend shorts right now. But I would also keep an eye on your Fibonacci retracement levels because the trend is definitely still up on the very high time frames. So what does that tell me? That tells me if we get a Fibonacci bounce, if we get a break of structure to the upside, then I would definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again because there's always a chance that the higher time frame uptrend continues. Now, I have the possibility of this being a wave X and us possibly going down for a wave Y. If that's true, then it potentially will not break structure to the upside and it potentially will continue down potentially for a lot more. If we go to the daily time frame real quick, I could just show you that a wave Y potentially would look like this on the daily time frame. So we potentially could go all the way down close to the $3,000 area if that is true. We definitely don't have any proof of that being true yet. So if we get a break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level, then I definitely would start looking for longs again. If we don't get a break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level, then there's really no reason to go long, and I would just continue to look for shorts, especially on shorter time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.